In this lecture, we are just going to learn about how can we cut a small picture, small part of the picture rather than the big picture. And this is called a cropping in Photoshop. So I have this photo of tree in rock. I have the Photoshop open and I'm going to click on this, right? So if I need to select only, let's say this is a picture of a desert with a small tree on a rock. Let's say if I want to just eliminate everything and just want to retain this tree portion, I can do that using a crop tool, which is a tool on the left side on the Photoshop. There are many tools on the left, but you can see tools like lasso, marquee, and then we can select crop. This is a crop tool. So I'm going to click on it. As soon as you click on it, you will see a boundary that shows this is the part of the picture I'm going to select, and you can move around if you want. So this is the crop. This is the window which is using which you can select what part of the image you want. You can expand these windows or decrease the window. I'm just going to focus on my tree, and the moment you do that, the Photoshop is going to dim the rest of the portion, showing that meaning that you are not interested in many times. And you can again control your crop using this options that appear dynamically when you select a crop tool. Many times you want to select a specific aspect ratio, let's say 5:7. So Photoshop automatically adjusts that, and you can also swap the 5:7 to 7:5 if you want, right? Like say if you want to display on a big projector, you might need this resolution, or if you want to display on a, let's say, phone, this could be the resolution for you, right? And again, you can move around as you want, and once you are ready to accept the image, let me do that. Just click on the tick mark, check mark sign here. Once you check marks, it will remove the rest of the image and it will just retain the image that you are interested in. Okay, right? So that's the image now, which is cropped already. Now this you can export, saying export as a PNG, and you can save wherever you want. I'm just going to save it on my desktop, treenrock.png. So it's exported, and just if I'm looking on my desktop, that's the file. That's the crop file, and this is a PNG file, so you can upload it to any social network like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or anywhere. That's how crop works in Photoshop.